So what's up, guys? So Cam just made it here.
Yeah, what's up, guys?
And we are back at it with the car. Like I said, we got pretty much everything cleaned up. We just tightened down the seat belt bolts that I just got. We gotta cut the holes out for the center console, like I said, and then once we do that, I got we need to take the factory seat belt off of the stock seats, and then I have the new rails right here. So they're sliding rails from Sparco. The seats we got are brides, so I'll show you those in a second, but first we'll get our holes done and a few pop clips in, and we need to put the plastic panels back on. So we'll do that right now, and then I'll update you on the next step. All right.
Hey.
So these are the seats. Got the Kevlar back, the wrapped in red. Thanks, sweet. So what I already did was I took the stock seat belt off of the factory ones. So that's the passenger, that's the driver's side. You put on the rails first, so we're gonna go ahead and put on the rails, and that's it. All right, so what we're doing, we got the Sparco rails with the planted bases, the seat brackets. We put the bar on, and then it'll expose the top two. Then we're gonna bolt those down first, and then slide the rail forward to expose the rear bolts, and then we'll do that to the bracket. Then we're gonna install these to the actual sliding rails, and then we'll be able to put the seat on. So that's the next step. All right, to give you guys an update, we got the sliding rails mounted on the bracket. We did that first, and you're just gonna have to slide this forward and backward to expose the spots where you need to mount them. Cam's doing the other one right now, and the next step is to mount this bracket to the sliding part. So it's gonna sit like that. Once you have it on there, then you'll be able to flip it over, and it's gonna side mount to your chairs, to your seats, and that's how basically you're gonna do it, just like that, and then they'll be ready to mount in the car. All right, so quick update, we got the so what we did it this way. I know on my other seat install, I installed the bracket to the seat first and then mounted it. I don't know, I wanted to try it this way to see if it was easier. All I did was measure out from where the mounting points were. It was like 15.5 inches, so I just made it a little wider. So we got it on. I didn't tighten any of the bolts yet, just because I want to see the height when we put it in the car, and see if we got it down for the correct height. So at this point, they're pretty much ready to go in the car. I just got to mount the seat belt right here, and then I have an extension that will extend from that, and you basically put it through here, and that's it. Then it's mounted. The sensor will go underneath the seat and plug right into the factory port. So next step, let's put them in the car and see how they look.
You want to drop it slightly, probably one level. Me personally, I would do it all the way to the bottom.
Yeah, all the way down.
All the way down. And then slide your seat all the way
closer to the door.
All the way to the door, as far as on the rail itself.
Okay.
Because when you shut the door, you're going to have room anyway. So
yeah.
Slide it all the way, so it's not rubbing against here.
Okay.
And then you should be fine.
That's it. So if you
this is all the way back, just to let you know.
That's all the way back. All right, cool.
Because you can slide it up. You see the back.
Okay.
So when you drop it, it should look even more flush.
All right, so a few things we got to fix, just to button up the seat to how I want it. As Cam was talking about, we got to make it lower because right now it sits kind of high. I thought I put it on pretty low setting, but the adding the slider in the, you know, in between the rail and everything like that, adds a little bit of height. So we'll pull it out, and then I'll just make the adjustments, and we should be finished and buttoning it up, and then we'll take it out for a test drive. All right, we got the seat positioned where we want it to be, so got it in now. Put it to the lowest setting just because I'm 6 foot, 210 pounds. Cam's like 6'3", 6'4", and we had to put it on the lowest setting just because it's my position height and passenger his position height. So right now we're just buttoning things up, and that's it, and we'll go for a test drive. So it's pretty well, I wouldn't say quick. It took us one trip to the store. So yeah, and then look at this snack. This ain't looking good. Getting ready for this hurricane. So I was trying to finish everything up before the hurricane came or comes. So luckily we finished this, and it's looking clean. All right, so just to give you guys an update, the driver's side is good, as you can see. So it's in. The issue is with the planted bracket. So somehow we got the wrong bracket. They gave us 2 driver's side brackets. So we're not going to be able to put the passenger side in right now, and I got to take the planted bracket back to the shop so they can get us the replacement. So that's pretty much it. Kind of a bummer because we wanted to take it out for a spin. So that's it for this vlog. I wish it was a different story, but we can't really do anything about it. And so yeah, but other than that, the seat looks good. It's a pretty good height. We got it as low as we could, and that's it. This is the car right here. Bam. So the next step is gonna probably be wheels, and then once I do wheels, I'll do a few little power mods, and it'll be ready for track day. So yep. And we still got to wrap the WRX, which we'll probably do that around next month after it stops storming. And that is it. So hopefully you guys like the content so far. The seats are amazing, and if you have any questions, just send me a message, and see you on the next vlog. Peace out, guys.